Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I make my chicken and mushroom pie. Now it is a bit of a cheat recipe because I don't make the sauce myself, but hey, in this busy life, the more simple we can make our life, the better it is. So anyway, to start off with, what we need is boneless chicken, we need black pepper, we need oil, we need onions, we need puff pastry, and we need butter, we need salt, and most important recipe, we need condensed soup. So it's cream of mushroom. Now this is what's required because this is what really gives it that taste and that flavor. So let's start cooking. So to start off with, we need to cut the onions. So let's peel the onions. So now the onions are washed. I just need to chop the onions. Okay, so there's the onions. Okay, so we need to put some oil. Not too much. And then put your onions. And leave it on full gas. And then put your salt. Okay, so there goes the salt. And just give this a mix. We need the onions to go slightly brown. So just add water when you think it's about to burn. Add a bit of water. Okay, so the onions, they're looking good. It's gone slightly brown. And it's ready now for the chicken. Give that a good mix. So leave it on full gas and just mix it when you think it's going to stick. So basically what you're trying to do is just cook the chicken, and the chicken should go slightly brown. So guys, you can see the chicken water is just all starting to come out. And I'm just going to add the black pepper. So there's the black pepper. And then just give that a mix. So we need all the water to dry out. Okay, so just keep mixing it and just let the water dry out. Okay, so this is now ready, and the chicken is actually cooked. So if I can just show you. So if you break it, you can see the chicken is cooked. See, the chicken is cooked. And now we're just going to add the mushroom sauce. Okay, so now let's add the cream of mushroom. So I'm just going to put the gas down while I'm doing this. Okay, I'm just going to add a bit of water. So I've just put a bit of water in this because it's just too thick. Just give this a mix. Put it back on full gas. Now guys, if you find that the sauce is too thick, you can actually add a bit of milk. So look at this, it's starting to look good. I'm just going to add a small amount of water. Okay, so this has gone nice and hot now. So now I'm just going to leave this on slow gas. Close the lid just for a few minutes, and then that should be ready. Okay, so let's check on this. So it's been about 2 minutes, and there we have it. This is all done now. So just give that a mix. This is how it looks. That's all done. Just going to turn the gas off now. And now let's just do the pastry. Okay, now let's get the puff pastry. This worktop is clean, by the way. I already cleaned it. So let's get our tray. So there's the tray that we're going to use, and we just need to put some butter on it. Okay, so I'm just giving this a roll so it's just a bit thinner, and I've got some plain flour there just in case I find that it's getting too sticky. But at the moment it's okay. Okay, so that's ready now, and I'm going to stick that in there now. Okay, so I'm just going to do this one just to show you guys how I do this, but then the rest of them I'm just going to do it off camera. So now I'm just going to get the chicken. There we have it. Okay. Okay, now let's get the next part. Just going to put some plain flour. Okay, now just roll this out again. Okay, that's fine now. So I'll just cut the side off. So just press that down. Okay. And then just make it nice. Cut it off nicely. so just to make it look pretty, I'm just going to add a simple flour. Okay, so let's just make a nice design just to make it look pretty. So how should we do this? Just going to add a bit of water so it sticks. Okay, so here they are, all 4 of them, they're all done. I'm just going to like put a dab of milk on the little flowers that I've done. Okay, that's all done. Okay, so now let's just get it in the oven.
So this is how it looks. This is absolutely yummy, guys. Give it a try.